Hello everyone, myself Soumya Patil studying in class 8. So today's topic is Clean India, Green India. We all know Clean India, Green India. Cleanliness is very important whether it is your home, workplace or public places. We should maintain cleanliness everywhere. It is one of the very basic needs of a civilized lifestyle. As we all know, the Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, who gave the mantra, cleanliness is godliness, and our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, who started the campaign, the Swachh Bharata mission inspired by Mahatma Gandhi. The Swachh Bharata Abhiyan therefore has a logo that pays a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. Our elders or parents or our teachers have always emphasized on making cleanliness as a habit because they know it is important for a healthy and hygienic life and disease-free lifestyle in the long run. Cleanliness should be an essential part of everyone's life to be developed as a habit. Clean India is really needed for us, to our people, to the India. Nowadays, garbage and waste are becoming severe threats to our nation. It is destroying the beauty of our nature and of our country. Moreover, several diseases can occur due to this reason. Many Indian citizens suffer various diseases due to improper waste disposal. We all know the campaign that is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. This campaign makes our citizens aware of cleanliness. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi started this campaign on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, that is on 2nd October 2014. The main aim of the campaign is to make every region of India free of open defecation. Many people supported this campaign, students, women, everyone supported this campaign and they have become the part of this campaign. We all use plastic bags and thermocols. We all know that it is very harmful to our nature and environment. We just throw it wherever we want, the rivers, in the gutters, in the ponds, etc. And therefore the water doesn't get a way to flow and thus the floods come. Many rivers are just overflowing with dirt, garbage. Then who is throwing this dirt and garbage in the river? Yes, we people. We are polluting our motherland. We should understand that we are here and we should not do this. And clean India here means green India. Green here doesn't mean the color green. It means our biosphere, our environment and nature. We all know that today's children are tomorrow's citizens. I think we should take a pledge that we will not pollute our motherland or environment. We will plant more and more trees as we can. We will maintain cleanliness everywhere and stop deforestation. We will make aware of cleanliness and afforestation to the people. To make a clean country or a green country, first we should make our home clean, then our area, then our street, and then our city, and then our state. And after this all process, we will have a beautiful, clean and green India. So please don't pollute our motherland because clean India is really beautiful green India. Thank you.